All right, take two. I know how long it's going to take. It'll be about 3 minutes or less, but for the video. But I just unboxed my NuWave 30211, and the reason why there's breakfast cooking is because I got a little cocky, and I'm ready to start. We're going to go right up to like 510 degree, 475. I did the last one. I guess it was 470. Go 460. I told it what I wanted. We started at 70% just a second ago, so we're using about 1100 watts. I guess I could go higher if I even needed to and go faster, but last time it took about 3 minutes. What I have in the tea kettle is about 24 ounces of water. One of these large Yeti holds, no, 3 times 8? Yeah, 24. 24 ounces of water, plus just a little extra in the kettle so that I'll have no burn down or anything like that, but just a tiny bit extra. But should only take about 3 minutes in total until we actually have boiling water. Not just hot water. I started off with tap water, but not full cold. I gave it the effect like if we were camping, that it was already sitting outside in my blue jug. So let's call it room temperature, which today is somewhere around 70 degrees inside the kitchen here. I gotta flip that bacon. I envisioned after the first video that I was gonna throw this pan right on there with bacon already in it, because it says it's stainless steel. Just like the tea kettle says stainless steel, but that didn't work. It gave me a E1 code, which is not in contact with the surface or non-inductive cooking ware. So the bacon's just about done. Next up is the scrambled eggs. Come on, bacon. There. I can hear something happening with the water, and we're at 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Boom, shakalaka. Yep, here it comes. When you hold the pan, you can feel it starting to dance a little bit. Okay. What we got left in here? 64. So it should be any time now. It used 9% the last time. Getting hot. Both items have a fan. The NuWave itself has a small fan that makes noise, and of course the Bluetti, now that the AC inverter is running at that many watts, is putting out noise of its own. The NuWave's making more of that noise. Here it comes. I see steam coming out the hole. Right at 9%. clouds and clear. Boom. Right at the 5-minute mark of the video. So about 4 minutes plus on that one. Maybe I did have it turned up a little higher last time. But it still used the same amount of power to boil the water, which makes sense. The same amount of cold water should use the same amount of energy to get to that same boiling point. So cool. Yeah, that's when I got cocky last time, and I was going to say, hey, the water boiled. Yeah, it was that many minutes, and I was ready to put the baking pan on, and it said error 1, non-inductive surface. So big thumbs up for the NuWave. Going to make van camping a little bit more tolerable and cooking a heck of a lot quicker.